Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript. Use bracket notation to find the nth character in a string. You can also use bracket notation to get the character at other positions within a string. Remember that computers start counting at 0. So the first character is actually the 0th character. For example, we can see it here where first name we have given value of Ada, where second letter of first name, and in bracket notation index we have given 1, which is equivalent of second letter of first name is D. So D will be picked from here. Let's try. Okay, the task for this challenge, let's try to set the third letter of last name to equal the third letter of last name variable using bracket notation, where last name equal to Lovelace. Only change the code. So in case of this, we have to give value of 2 because 0 1 2 2 at 2 place means at second place is the third character. So B should be in both results. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.